Thank you. It looks fantastic. Well, if this is not incentive to come to the airport a little earlier, then I don't know what is. Airport food has come a long way, and here at the Delta Lounge, you are spoilt for choice. A fantastic mushroom and spinach omelette with a side of tomato. Oh, look at this. Croque monsieur, taste of France, parfait, some fresh fruit, fantastic coffee, and what better way to start my New York state trip with a glass of champagne. As well as the delicious buffet, they have a very elegant fine dining restaurant here at the Delta Lounge. I just love the idea of coming to the airport a little earlier and having a fine dining experience before you board. That is such a treat. And look at the desserts. I mean, you've got souffle, cheesecake. Oh, it's just a perfect way to start.
Yes, there's so much to choose from.
Natalie, I'm going to New York. Tell me some of the places I must go and what should I eat?
Oh, do you love pizza?
Do I love pizza?
Oh, yes, pizza in Brooklyn, downtown Brooklyn. Their pizza is very good down there.
Okay.
Oh, you gotta try the bagels. Bagels with cream cheese and some salmon. Oh my God, that's to die for.
Oh, I'm so excited. I cannot wait.
Yes.